Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be taking a test, a survey test, which is this one by IPSOS iSay, right? As you can see, so far so good. I've got 1,126 points. I can redeem this, but I need to redeem this one, and this was the 31.4 for a PayPal, right? There are other gift cards that I can withdraw, but I don't want gift cards. I want PayPal, which is around $10. So this will be the study that I'm doing, though it has 60 points. So I'm just going to be going through this survey and you'll be with me. So let's go. So I have to select male. Then which age? Of course, that's not my real age. This one, it's just that this is the one that I've entered. And then here you go. Then which of the following do you own at your home? I think I have these. At this home. Where I am right now, I don't have this. I have this at the other house. I lived a purifier. I don't think I have that. Should I said I don't have those. Console, I don't have those. Smart speaker, do we have this? Wireless earbuds, I have this. Tablet, I have this. A freeze, I don't have this. A beam projector laptop, I do have this. Wireless headphones, I do have these. PC, do I have a PC? Yes, at work, but not here. At the office there. We have a PC for our own company. Then a monitor, dryer, that we do have this. Air conditioner, we have this. Oven, we have this. Dishwasher, we don't have. Handheld devices. Yeah, I think this one will be doing. It'll be good. Now, for those who are asking, where is this platform available in? I'll say most it is in South Africa, the US, UK, and others. But I haven't checked like the full list, but I think those are the ones that I know. When did you buy your most recent refrigerator? So the old one I think it's been about years, but for this one I think we bought like what possibly like 6 months ago, right? Yes, should be 6 months ago. Please select the statement that applies to your most recent refrigerator purchase. I've never owned a refrigerator before, Marcelo. I've had tens or 20 or so refrigerators. Okay. Yeah. I think I have what? With the new purchase, yeah. Let's say this one. Which of the following statements best describe input from the decision-making process in a purchase? So I'm jointly responsible for this. When will you be, or will you next buy a refrigerator? Possibly in more than 12. Also, I don't have plans right for refrigerator now. What is your monthly household income before tax? Your monthly household, together with my sister, my other people. I think I'll place it maybe at 40,000. I think that will be the most possible. I think so. I think they do earn more than that. Possibly maybe 60, including mine. But this one, I don't know, just place 40. In which region do you live? So I live in Limpopo. And then what refrigerator brands have you have ahead of place? Enter one brand per text box. Come on. I think I've had what? I don't even know that one. I don't know what this means. Is it Hi-Fi? Hi-Fi does produce refrigerator. Then I think I've had the Conquest. Isn't it Conquest? Then I've had the. This is one that I've had. Man, if you what is this refrigerator? Let me see. It's one of the most known brands though. Okay, let me say most commonly is sold refrigerator. I'll just type it by just dictation, right? Mostly, okay, trying. Okay, fine. Mostly commonly sold refrigerator brands in South Africa. I'll put this one. Let's see if it works. All right, take this one out. And then we go to this part. So I'll put this video on the DeFi, and I'll kick this one. Hisense, yeah, that one is Hisense, not DeFi. Hisense, okay, let me copy. I think these are the ones that I've ever had. Conquest, I think is another that house. A DeFi, no, it's a kick, and not DeFi. The one that I have here is Hisense. The kick is the house, so the conquest, or have heard of, right? So yeah, conquest. I think I've heard of. I think it's just conquest or something. It's one of the first. I think it's fridge. So then LG, of course. Oh, I have an LG. Of an LG fridge. DeFi, yeah. But on DeFi, no stoves. Not refrigerators as per se. Yeah, I think this one's the one. I don't know. Samsung. Samsung is, yeah. I think a friend of mine has a Samsung. And a Bosch, we have them. But I think I know there's companies selling other products apart from that. But again, they just brand. Other stuff is branded. Please select 3 circles from the options below. Then this one, and this one, and this one. These are the circles. Which refrigerator brands are you aware of? Select all that apply. So I have this one. Kick. Hisense, Samsung, DeFi, Bosch. Oh, Calvinator. I don't know where I saw this fridge from, but I think it's a shop or something. Or Paul, I don't know this one. No. And this one, I think I've heard of that. No. Because some of these brands are just way too much. Do you prefer the most? I think I love Cake. Cake is nice. They make nice refrigerated cake. Then now I want you to use the scale to tell me about the extent of the relationship you have with each branch, where 1 means you have the lowest intensity of relationship, where 10 means you have the strongest of the relationship. Kiki brand, do you feel proud of? What's this one? But this is my favorite. Possibly, I don't know, 8. And you also do have a friend of mine. The essence, we have essence is nice. I love the essence. Samsung, I don't know, but I think it makes good products. Bosch, I know it makes good products in terms of the drillers and stuff. DeFi, wooded stoves. This is one of the brand that is amazing in terms of stoves. Kelvinet, I don't know. I'm just going to put it. Which brands of refrigerator do you currently own, or do you currently own? Listen. So I'm gonna kick. You've got the Hisense. No, these are the two that we have, I think. Which do you most do some pages? So the one that we have is the Hisense. Now please choose the refrigerator type or you purchased most recently. We have a standing one door freezer component only. You can pull this one. It's a double bottom fridge, yeah. Top freezer, top of the fridge, top freezer, bottom mount freezer. The fridge is located in the upper side and freezer is located in the lower side. And it has one door. I have two different one. No, not this one. 3 doors now. So I think I have the freezer part is one door. So I think it's this one. Yeah. Then choose the capacity of the refrigerator. I don't know about liters, guys. I didn't check that. Possibly 1,000 liters, maybe 200 liters. I don't know. This one I'm just going to. Did you pictures before? A cake. So the cake was a deep freezer. I think this is I'll consider. Then I'll probably love maybe LG and the DeFi possibly. Yeah, possibly a DeFi. The origin of the leading brand in air appliances, please select one. Air appliance is the home appliance that is artificially to provide better function. I don't know this one. So I think I think I think Samsung might do it. I think include maybe AI. What feature model names, series, name lines, sub names, feature names if you have heard of. A brand represents of a company name, sub model. Possibly like this one. I don't know about this. So let me put on this. Maybe it will give me something. Then I'll select maybe 2 because they might be inquisitive. Okay, fine. Hisense. I think this is the one I'll say Hisense. Oh, come on. This is a brand with camera mode on. Oh. H series, possibly. Let me put this one. I don't know. Let me put one. So let's kick. Let's say this one is what? So this one, and I'm kind of guessing, guys. So I see, oh, this one. I have to do a little bit of. I think these are the 2 that I'm going to do. From the list below, please select all the sub brand models features you are aware of. Okay. Next view, I think is for what? For multi insta view do. Then possibly we skip all possible open. No, I don't know much of these things, guys. Door indoor cooling. Now ask about refrigerator ads. Okay, fine. What refrigerator advertisements have you ever seen online social media? I think Hisense still does. LG. LG. And I think Kelvinator. fulminator. I think this one does. Then I'll put this one. What repeated events have you seen on TV in the past months? I think I've seen only high sounds, possibly. Alright, now have you seen the following refrigerator advertisement brand campaign in the last month? Black Friday, so what the hell is this one? No. No. Oh, no. So, are you married? No, I'm not married. Then children, I don't have children. Excluding yourself, how many people do you live with? Please enter the number for each box. So in terms of adult, I think we have 1. Then parents, then we're 3, excluding myself. Not children, man, I mean siblings. What I did. So parents 1, and I've got adult 1 sibling. I think we're only 3, unless if I count mother, but that one doesn't stay here much often. So parent, I've only my dad that's living here. I used to be I don't want to speak of that. So which of the following best describes your occupation? So what do I do? Right, I'm a business consultant, but I also do work as at management, right? I was a professional, possibly. Do I do marketing? So which one do it? I think I'm just going to do this. Go this one with a professional, right? So I think it is done. I've got 60 points now. So I'll start the new survey. Of course, I'm going to start it, but I'm going to record it. I think this one will be the last one that I record for this particular video. So I don't want this one to be long. So you may disqualify for the service. Okay. Let's see. I'm just going to start it, but I'm not going to finish it. So this is how it starts. So this is the next survey that I'm supposed to complete. Oh, come on. Let me do this. Let me go to IPSOS so that I want to see how many points I have right now. And then I need to log in first. Check how many points if I've been credited. If I haven't, then I think I'll be starting from another grade. I can't do this. Studies. So 186. So I've been credited. So the other survey is about 150 points. Well, I think I might reach this part. So I think I'm going to stop it right now. As you can see right now, these are the gift cards that I have, and possibly I want to withdraw this one, guys. This is the one that I want to withdraw. This one, 140 something. So I still have 283 to go, and I think these ones want to cut it. So yeah, so this is one of the survey platforms that I recommend. It's nice, of course. Like there isn't much money, but if you enjoy the small money that you get, and it's really fun, I think I've enjoyed much, right? So guys, that's all about IPSOS iSay. And again, thank you for watching this video. And until then, see you on the next one.